By the way guys, we are here in Santa Rosa to Tagaytay Road. So obviously meron ditong daan papunta ng New Valley and Tagaytay City. So we are now entering the Greenfield City, and as you can see later on, is napapaligiran sa Greenfield ng green and open spaces because yun yung talagang signature nila, yung hashtag Greenspiration nila. And on my left part, again, so may mga commercial spaces again dyan. On my left part, you can see the Greenfield City. So we are now entering the projects of Greenfield Development Corporation. And let's just turn left. And as you can see sa mga signage, makikita nyo na dyan na Trava, Zadia, Solen, and Pramana. So those are the prestigious projects, the Greenfield here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. And as you can see on my front view, this is the video that I featured on my recent vlog. So the Zadia, this is the vertical project of Greenfield Development Corporation. This is a mid-residential project, condominium here in the area. So as you can see, meron na tayo dyang Towers 1, 2, and yung Tower 3 is ongoing ang construction. Yung Tower 4 is pre-selling. And soon is magkakaroon rin tayo ng Tower 5. So, marami tayong nare-receive na inquiries dito, So, especially that this project is malapit din sa lahat, katulad lang ng iba pang projects ni Greenfield. Hi everyone, this is Giselle of Official PH Properties and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to feature one of the residential properties that we are offering here in Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. And in terms of accessibility and good value for money, everything's here in Solen Residences. Here in Solen Residences, you can enjoy at least 1,349 square meters of clubhouse complex. And right now, we are here in the function room of Solen Residences. This is 700 square meters. And of course, if you have events like weddings, birthdays, baptismals, or any occasions that you have, you can enjoy it here in the function hall of Solen Residences. So this function hall can accommodate at least 200 packs. So you can enjoy this benefit, especially if you are a resident here and Solen Residences. And of course, since this is a prestigious subdivision here in Greenfield City, syempre meron din ditong different kinds of amenities like swimming pools, children's playground, open parks, and gym, of course, para din sa mga residents natin na hindi na kailangan lumabas para mag-exercise or mag-workout because meron na tayong gym here in Solen Residences. So if you are a resident here, you can enjoy those benefits from the amenities. One of the amenities also that you can enjoy here in Solen is this children's pavilion. So aside from the outdoor playground, meron din tayong children's pavilion so that your kids can enjoy this amenity. So malapit lang din siya sa may pool area, and sa loob nito is merong playpen that your children can enjoy. So if ever na umuulan and you cannot use the outdoor playground, they can go here. It's just beside the swimming pool or the pool area, and they can enjoy here inside. So meron ditong mga toys and mga function tables and chairs na pwede nilang gamitan for learning and fun. By the way guys, for those of you who don't know, the developer of Solen Residences is Greenfield Development Corporation, and they are one of the pioneering developers here in Laguna, and they have built some residential properties and condominium, katulad ng na-mention ko sa inyo kanina, the vertical project of Greenfield Development Corporation, the Zadia. It is a mid-residential project with 5 towers. And 2 of them is already established, 1 is under construction, 4th tower is pre-selling, and future development is the 5th tower. Next is the Pramana, just in front of Solen Residences. So that is a residential lot and residential house and lot for sales. But as mentioned kanina, no, so parang paubos na siya, and mostly is resale properties na lang yung binebenta natin doon. And right now, we are here in Solen Residences, and one of the prestigious project ni Greenfield is the Chava. So, right now, ang nasa video natin is the Solen Residences, and we are here to enjoy and what Solen Residences has to offer with our clients. One of the things I love the most about Solen is this pool area. As you can see, overlooking yung mga greeneries natin, and meron dong pababa, and meron din siyang parang maliit na vacant lot which is also full of greeneries. And actually yung weather dito is like Tagaytay type, since this is located here in Santa Rosa to Tagaytay Road, so meron din siyang access sa New Valley and Tagaytay. And yung weather dito is malamig, so because na rin siguro sa plano ni Greenfield na open spaces. And yung pool area niya, hindi siya basta-basta pool area. It's a very long pool area. As you can see, meron ditong adult pool and kiddie pool. So if you are a resident here in Solen, you can enjoy these amenities, these great amenities that Solen Residences has to offer. Hi again guys, in this part of this video, I will show you the sample model houses unit here in Solen Residences. And actually guys, we have 4 types of model houses, and what I'm going to show you is the Celestine model house. So starting off in this carport, so you can fit at least 1 to 2 vehicles here in this carport. So as you can see, no, very spacious siya, and meron ditong saksakan for example na meron kang electric vehicle. So it's electric vehicle ready. So and as you can see, no, medyo madilim na, kaya pina-open na natin yung lights here sa model house. So tara, pasukin natin. Hi guys, welcome. So this is one of the sample model house unit here in Solen. High ceiling siya, you can put chandelier, and this is actually the living area. So as you can see, no, meron sila ditong sofas for the guests or for the families that's going to live here. And when you walk here, this is the kitchen area. So as you can see, they put their dining tables here, and meron ditong mini countertop or mini bar top. So as you can see, nandun yung sink nila, yung refrigerator, may stove, and naglagay sila dito ng mini bar. And as you can see, medyo madilim lang, but meron ditong glass doors papunta doon sa may outside garden. And as you can see guys, meron ditong entertainment area. So if ever na naliliitan kayo dun sa may living area, don't worry because meron pa ditong extension ng living area. So actually, it depends on you, no? So you can put this, or you can make this a bedroom. So, but for these instances here in this model house, ginawa nilang entertainment area. So you can see meron television and walang bed. Meron lang tayo ditong mga upuan. So, this is the kitchen area. So, as you can see, no, dito ka mag-prepare ng foods. Ito yung mini countertop kanina, plus the stove and another table. And ito yung kitchen sink. Dito nilagay yung refrigerator. And what's so nice about here is that meron tayo ditong storage room, or some make this as a maid's quarter or driver's quarter. So, very spacious din siya. And meron din tayo ditong powder room in this side. Actually, meron na rin siyang toilet na kasama. And let's check etong outside door papunta sa iyong perimeter lot or sa outside lot ng iyong house. So, this is the Celestine model. So, tara, akyat naman tayo sa taas. So we are now here in the second floor of this model house. So as you can see, no, naglagay pa sila dito ng living area, additional living area. So this is perfect for big families or small families who wants to maximize their space. And ito yung chandelier kanina, no? So you can put chandelier, especially that this is a high ceiling. And as you observe, puro dito glass windows, glass doors. So talagang kapag umaga, inabot lang tayo ng gabi, but during daytime, yung sunlight is pumapasok dito sa house. So may mga natural lightings tayo here. So let's check naman this one. And this door leads to the balcony. So we have here a balcony. So medyo madilim lang, but meron ditong huge space for the balcony. So tanaw-tanaw ka lang dyan and you can see the pool area, the open spaces, the greeneries, and all. And as you can see guys, meron ditong maliit na hallway that leads to the bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom. So as you can see, very spacious. Nakapaglagay sila dito ng mga shelves ng double or king bed, plus merong lamp. And naglagay din dito ng mga other shelves. Meron ditong bedside table and ng television. And as you can see guys, glass windows din siya. So during daylight, pumapasok din yung sunlight. And of course, master's bedroom with toilet and bath. So as you can see guys, meron din ditong complete shower area, merong enclosed shower doors, merong mirror, and yung ating toilet area. And as you can see guys, meron pa ditong maliit na space for your mini walk-in closet. So very nice, di ba, na maximize niya yung space. So this is the master's bedroom, and this is the another bedroom. So as you can see guys, meron ditong 3-bedroom sa taas. Naglagay rin siya dyan ng cabinet. So talagang nagamit lahat ng space dito sa bedroom. And this door leads to the other bedroom. So as you can see, no, malaki lahat ng space ng bedrooms. And hindi lang siya basta-basta nasabi na merong kwarto. And of course, here also in this area is merong CR. So that's it guys, this is the Celestine model house. So this is modern Asian tropical theme ng house and lot. So what we offer here in Celen Residences are actually lot only. And you can choose from 4 model houses kung ano yung mas gusto mo or mas prefer mo, because meron tayong standard na sinusunod dito kay Celen Residences whenever you purchase a lot and you plan to build your house and lot here. So you need to follow the restrictions and the standard ni Celen. So next part of the video is papakita ko naman sa inyo yung Phase 1C ng Celen Residences, which is the extension. And that is the pre-selling lots that we are offering here in Celen. So see you guys! I know I've been saying a lot of things about here in Salen that this is a great value for money, but it really is. Especially that this is located in a master planned community by Greenfield Development Corporation. So marami ditong future developments, merong mga residential lots, house and lots, and condominium. And I believe that the Greenfield Development Corporation has a really good plan in this community. And of course, this is malapit sa mga commercial spaces, sa mga lifestyle centers. So, yung mga famous superstores like Landers, SNR, and meron din tayo ditong Ayala Malls, Vista Mall, Santa Rosa. So, the famous New Valley, di ba? We have receiving a lot of inquiries that they are looking for a property near or around New Valley area. So, actually, yung weather dito is malamig siya, especially that what I've mentioned a lot of times is focusing talaga nila and prioritizing the open spaces. If you have a plan on purchasing a lot here in Salen Residences, so I highly suggest that you secure your investment now, especially that it's still on a pre-selling stage. And sa mga real estate investors talaga natin, no, kapag nakakakita sila ng mga ganitong klaseng platforms, like talagang dinedevelop pa lang yung area, it's the best time for them to invest. And good news sa kanila yun because once na na-develop na itong area na ito, yung Salen Phase 1 C extension, magkakaroon na ng impact sa price. Especially, sometimes it doubles the price, it triples the price. So if you want to secure your investment here in Salen Phase 1C extension of Salen Residences, so you can message me in the numbers flashed on the screen, 0926-547-8708. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Official PH Properties and see you on my next video.